Hey guys, it's me, Mini Muffins, back here with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this paper squishy. Well, it's not made of paper, it's actually made of like a bag. So yeah, and this is how well it squishes. And as you can see, I taped it here with some tape. So yeah, and right over here, I'll tell you the materials you'll need. So, okay, so now I have my things I need. You're going to need tape and a plastic bag. First, you're going to get air in your bag. Then you're going to take all the air and close it. And push it down slowly. So I pushed it down, and it's like a little bit baggy, and that's good. Then you're going to take the sides and fold it to the middle until it looks like this. So you're gonna have your tape ready. Unfortunately, I do not, and my thing is opening. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your tape, and you could take like as much tape as you want. I'm gonna cut this one in half. Now I have 2 pieces of tape. And what I would do with the other tape is I'll stick it to the edge of my counter. Then with the piece of tape, I would take my bag, fold the edges up to the middle, and then bend it downwards. And make sure it's pretty tight. Then you're gonna take your clear tape and lay it flat onto the squishy or bag. And then you're going to take your other piece of tape and you're going to put it the other way you put the other piece of tape. So here's what the back should look like, and here's what the front should look like. And then you could test to see how squishy it is. Here's how squishy mine is. And so that is pretty much it. And also to make these cool little squishies, you could say, or bags with tape, of course, it's the same thing. You could just use trash bags if you don't have these bags. So these are super simple to make, and it's so easy. So I should definitely say give this a try at home. And if this worked out for you, make sure you like, subscribe down below, turn on the notifications bell, and share. Bye!